Hello everyone, welcome to Most Cooking Corner. Today I am going to show how to make beef sirloin stick with masala chips. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. Let's get into the video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment and ring the bell. Let's get into the video now. So there is one sirloin steak now, beef sirloin steak. So now I'm going to cook it. I just grill it on the pan. Before I start to marination, I do with the knife for make sure all the spices go into the meat, inside the meat, both sides. Keep cooking. Now I'm going to transfer to the bowl. Add some sugar. Both sides. Then there is some ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon. Lemon juice, around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Then I'm gonna some chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. We're gonna make it spicy. Pinch of jeera powder, pinch of garam masala, pinch of dhania powder. Now I'm gonna add some, that's my cashew nut paste. So I boil it, then I blend it. So after 10-15 minute boil, I just blend it. Now I'm gonna add some 1 spoon. Now put 1 spoon of sriracha chili sauce. That's sriracha, make it spicy. Now I'm going to mixing all together. Do my marination. So make sure all the spices mix it properly. So the marination is done. Now I'm going to start to fry after 10 minutes to settle down. Now I'm going to start to grill on the tawa my beef sirloin stick. So my tawa is ready. It's almost 200. I'm just gonna put some oil, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna start to grill on the tawa my beef sirloin steak. Let's put some sauce on top. Keep grilling both sides at least 7 to 8 minutes. It will be ready. Keep grilling on the tawa. Now I'm going to flip it over. One side is cooked already. Let's see another side. All the spices is getting into the meat. Looks really nice. Keep frying on the tawa another 2-3 minutes. It will be ready. So once it's ready, I will start to make my masala chips. So now sirloin steak is ready now. It's ready to eat. You can have a look. It looks really grilly and just grill on the tawa. Also a little bit sauce because I put some cashew nut paste, chopped garlic and ginger garlic paste, sriracha chili sauce and my masala. all together is make it colorful. Let's going to make the masala chips. So I'm going to eat with the masala chips and sirloin stick. Let's get into the. Now I'm going to make masala chips. So I take the beef stick off. So I got some sauce left over here. So what I'm gonna do, here's got some sauce left over. So I'm gonna add some chips. This is already fried. So I'm gonna add these chips and mix it. So I put on the tawa, same tawa. So I don't have to wash another tawa. So I got here everything, and coriander, fresh coriander, and some pinch of Kashmiri chili powder. Now I'm gonna mix it together. So this is going to be my masala chips. Yes. So mixing and keep little bit fried. It is already fried, so make it a little bit nice. So this looks really colorful and yummy. So I'm gonna eat with this. So the masala chips is ready. I hope you enjoy my video. To eat, it looks really yummy. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Here you go. This is the beef sirloin steak with masala chips. Is